Elias, and today I will be telling you how I am making my science product, the inclined plane.
Yeah! And I am the chief assistant of the scientist Elias genius. My name is Hermione von Blumenthal. Blumengold. Yeah! It is an honor, sir, to work with you.
No.
Yeah, scientist Elias.
Please don't talk like that.
What? I'm from France.
I'm going to do an experiment, build a ramp, and change the height, and see how fast it will take for a vehicle on wheels without a motor to go down.
Okay. That is good. That is a good experiment, I think. That's fine.
We are in search for the wild ramp.
Okay, let's go. The ramp. The wild ramp. The wild ramp. The wild ramp. In search of the wild ramp. You okay, Mr. B?
Oh no, because you totally distracted me.
What happened?
Now that's what tells.
Well, science, you know, science has a price tag. There could be danger associated with science. Poor Madame Curie and her husband. You know what happened to them?
What?
They were doing radium experiments and it killed them. Little did they know. Okay, let's go. Have you found your ramp?
Yeah, right over there.
Oh, nice piece of wood. All right. We have to measure how high the ramp is, Mr. B. So we have to measure that. We have to measure the height of the ramp.
Let me do this again.
So we're going to measure the head of the puffle, and we're going to make that our unit of measurement. So let's get a piece of paper, Elias. Puffle head measurement number 1. Now, move the puffle head over and measure again. There we have our ruler, which is we're going to use to measure the height of the end of the ramp, okay?
Yeah.
So what's the next step? So what are we going to do?
We're going to get the iPhone stopwatch to test the speed.
The speed or the time it takes.
Yeah. This is the finish line, and we will roll the car down that ramp and time the speed with this.
Can you establish for sure that we are at 1 puffle head height?
Yep, all set.
Okay, all set. Take your position, sir, at the finish line. You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, start. 4.2 seconds.
I'm going to record our results on this chart you've made, Mr. B. So our results were 4.2 seconds at 1 puffle head. Find your mark. You go for 4.2, and I will mark 1 puffle head, and let's intersect. Okay? Put a little mark right there, a big dot. Okay, now we have to be at 2 puffle head heights, and that looks like 2 puffle head heights.
Yeah, I'm going to the car.
Okay, you run down to the finish line, and we're going to roll the car down. Tell me when to let it rip.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
What's the time?
2.2.
2.2. Okay, put that on the chart. 2.2 at 2 puffle heads. Now, what's the next step, Elias?
3.
3 puffle heads heights. Okay, we now have 3 puffle head heights.
3, 2, 1, go. 1.6.
Okay, we've plotted our results. And what's happened, Boobs?
Well, we figured out that it goes faster on each puffle head height.
When you increase the height.
But it's not as fast as you think it does.
Oh. In other words, when you go 3 times puffle head height, it doesn't necessarily go 3 times faster. We'll have to speculate as to why that happens, Mr. B. What do you think Why do you think it's that way? Okay, well you could, I think friction has something to do with it. Anyhow, brilliant experiment, sir, brilliant. Quite brilliant. Gravity. So let's do another experiment. You have 2 logs, right?
Yeah, a light one and a heavy one.
A light one and a heavy one, and you're going to drop them on the ground. Which one is going to hit the ground first, Mr. B? The heavy one or the light one?
The heavy one.
Okay. Do your experiment.
Can't really tell.
Try it again.
Heavy enough or something.
Okay.
I can't tell either.
Well, what do you think?
I think it's that one.
Nope, I think they both hit the ground at the same time. And that is exactly what Galileo discovered when he dropped 2 balls of 2 different weights off the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Pizza? I mean, yeah, time for pizza! Mama does not believe the results of our test, so now we're doing it with a glue stick and a puffle head.
We did.
Aha!